What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about MetriCool and Later. MetriCool and Later are both powerful social media management tools, but they differ in their features, pricing, and target audience. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, one platform may be a better fit than the other. So let's take a look at both these platforms. MetriCool is an all-in-one social media management tool that helps professionals, agencies, and brands increase their digital visibility and connect with their audience in a simple and efficient way. With MetriCool, users can schedule content, measure results, analyze competitors, and create visual reports in just a few clicks. On the other hand, Later is a comprehensive social media management platform that helps businesses and individuals streamline their social media presence across various platforms. The platform offers a range of features, including scheduling and publishing tools, link in bio functionality, analytics, content creation tools, and expert advice from the Later team. Now, let's discuss their key features. Let's start with MetriCool. Social Media Analytics. MetriCool's centralized analytics provide a comprehensive view of your social media performance across all your profiles and websites. Instead of jumping between different platforms to gather data, MetriCool brings everything together in one convenient location. With this feature, you can quickly understand which of your content is resonating most with your audience, allowing you to replicate successful strategies and optimize your social media approach for maximum impact. Influencer Analysis. MetriCool's competitor and influencer analysis tools enable you to spy on the social media performance of brands and individuals in your industry. By monitoring their real-time activity, you can gain valuable insights into winning strategies that you can adapt for your own brand. This feature provides a strategic advantage by helping you identify top-performing content, popular hashtags, and effective influencer partnerships that you can leverage to stay ahead of the competition. Social Media Reporting. Creating comprehensive social media reports can be a time-consuming task, but MetriCool's automated reporting feature streamlines the process. With just a few clicks, you can generate custom reports in PDF or PPT format, saving countless hours of manual data collection and report creation. MetriCool also allows you to automate the delivery of these reports to your clients on a monthly basis, ensuring consistent and professional communication. Hashtag Performance Tracking. Selecting the right hashtags is crucial for increasing your social media reach and engagement, but it can be challenging to determine which ones are most effective. MetriCool's hashtag tracker solves this problem by providing data-driven insights into the performance of the hashtags you use in your posts. By identifying which hashtags drive the most impressions and engagement, you can optimize your hashtag strategy and make informed decisions about which tags to include in your future content. Streamlined Content Planning. MetriCool's Content Planner allows you to schedule a month's worth of social media content in advance, saving you valuable time and effort. With this feature, you can plan out your content calendar ahead of time, selecting the best posting times and hashtags to maximize your reach and engagement. By streamlining your content creation process, MetriCool enables you to focus on creating high-quality, engaging posts that aligns with your brand's messaging and voice. AI-powered post generation. Crafting engaging social media posts can be a challenge, especially when faced with writer's block. MetriCool's AI-powered post generation feature helps overcome this obstacle by automatically generating post ideas and copy that align with your brand's voice and messaging. This feature provides a starting point for your content creation process, saving you time and effort while ensuring that your posts are engaging and on brand. Centralized social media inbox. Effectively managing your social media community can be a time-consuming task, especially when you have to check multiple platforms for messages and comments. MetriCool's centralized social media inbox solves this problem by bringing all your messages and comments together in one convenient location. With this feature, you can efficiently respond to and engage with your audience across multiple platforms, saving you time and improving your overall community management strategy. Now, let's talk about the key features of Later. Social media marketing tools. Later's all-in-one social media marketing platform is designed to be a one-stop shop for businesses and individuals looking to streamline their social media presence. The platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to every aspect of social media management, from content creation and scheduling to analytics and reporting. By consolidating all these features into a single platform, Later empowers users to effectively manage their social media strategy without the need to juggle multiple apps or tools. The platform's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it accessible for both social media novices and seasoned professionals, allowing them to save time, improve productivity, and achieve better results for their social media efforts. Social media publishing. One of the standout features of Later's platform is its robust publishing tools. Users can easily schedule, preview, and automatically publish content across multiple social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This streamlined publishing workflow eliminates the need to manually post content on each channel, freeing up time and ensuring a consistent presence on all your social media channels. The ability to preview your feed before publishing also helps maintain a visually appealing and cohesive aesthetics, which is crucial for building a strong brand identity on social media. Content creation tools. Later understands that creating high-quality, engaging content is a crucial aspect of social media success. To that end, the platform offers a suite of content creation tools that empower users to produce on-brand, visually appealing content with ease. From photo and video editing capabilities to hashtag suggestions and user-generated content search, Later's content creation tools allow users to create, edit, and source content without the need to switch between multiple applications. This streamlined approach not only saves time, but also ensures a consistent brand identity across all social media channels. Engaging caption writer. Crafting compelling captions is an art form in the world of social media, and Later's Caption Writer tool aims to simplify this process. By generating high-quality captions optimized for each platform, including relevant hashtags and emojis, the Caption Writer tool helps users save time and improve overall quality of their social media content. This feature is particularly valuable for businesses and individuals who may struggle to come up with engaging captions that capture their audience's attention and drive meaningful engagement. Mobile and desktop accessibility. Later recognizes the importance of social media management on the go, which is why the platform offers both mobile and desktop apps. Users can shoot and edit content, schedule posts, and manage their social presence from anywhere, ensuring they can stay on top of their social media strategy even when they're away from their desks. This level of accessibility and flexibility is crucial in today's fast-paced digital landscape, where social media trends and opportunities can emerge at any moment. Influencer marketing capabilities. Influencer marketing has become an increasingly important component of many brands' social media strategies, and Later's platform is well equipped to handle this aspect of social media management. The platform provides tools to help users discover, manage, and measure the success of their influencer marketing campaigns. By efficiently finding the right influencers, executing seamless campaigns, and tracking the ROI of their efforts, users can maximize the impact of their influencer marketing strategy and achieve better results from their social media investments. Analytics and reporting. Data-driven decision-making is essential for any successful social media strategy, and Later's analytics and reporting feature provides users with the insights they need to optimize their efforts. The platform's comprehensive analytics dashboard offers a clear understanding of the performance of your social media content and campaigns, allowing you to identify what's working, what's not, and make informed decisions to improve your overall social media strategy. With these powerful reporting tools, users can gain valuable insights and make data-driven adjustments to their social media approach, ultimately driving better results and a stronger return on investment. Now, let's talk about pricing. When it comes to pricing, MetriCool offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets and needs, including a free plan that allows users to manage one brand associated with one profile for each social platform, a starter plan starting at $18 a month with annual payment, or $22 per month with monthly payment for managing up to 5 brands, an advanced plan starting at $45 a month with annual payment, or $54 per month with monthly payment for managing up to 50 brands and offering additional features like team and client access, role management, post-approval system, customizable report templates, complete Twitter or X analytics, Looker Studio connection and Zapier integration, and a custom plan for users who need to manage more than 50 brands, which includes all the features of the advanced plan, along with a custom number of brands, customized publication limit, and integration capabilities. Later, on the other hand, offers 4 different plans. The starter plan comes in at $16.67 per month. This includes 1 social set or equivalent to 7 social profiles, 30 posts per social profile, limited analytics up to 3 months of data, and 5 credits for AI features. The growth plan comes in at $30 per month, and it is best for small teams. It includes 3 social sets or equivalent to 21 social profiles, 150 posts per social profile, full analytics up to 1 year of data, 30 credits for AI features, and team and brand management tools. The advanced plan comes in at $53.33 per month, and this is best for growing teams. This includes 6 social sets or equivalent to 42 social profiles, unlimited posts, full analytics up to 1 year of data, 50 credits for AI features, and team collaboration tools. Agency plan comes in at $133.33 per month, and this is suitable for agency or multi-brand businesses. This includes 15 social sets or equivalent to 105 social profiles, unlimited posts, full analytics up to 1 year of data, 100 credits for AI features, and content approval workflows. All prices of plans mentioned are billed annually. To determine which platform is the best fit for you, carefully consider your social media management needs, budget, and the channels you want to focus on. Both MetriCool and Later offer free trials, so you can test out the features and see if which one works better for your business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.